Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk life, food, family, and fun, and today we're doing a little bit of life, a little bit of cleaning, and we're gonna see if a product that was sent to me by a friend cleans, disinfects, uses all natural ingredients, essential oils, doesn't have any harsh chemicals, but it works just as good. Wanna know what I'm talking about? Stay tuned and let's do this. So what I'm talking about is the Young Living Thieves Essential Oil Infused Household Cleaner. It looks like this, and this is just a sample pack, and basically what it says is you use 1 part cleaner to 30 parts water for most cleaning services. It says that you can clean just about anything. If you are mixing it to do glass, you have to do it to 1 part to 50 or 100. If you're doing light degreasing, it's 1 to 50, and heavy degreasing is 1 to 15. So you are gonna have to have multiple bottles or just do one thing at a time if you're doing glass or heavy degreasing with this. Otherwise, it's about a 1 to 30. So what we're gonna do is a 1 to 30 with this, and then we're gonna test it out and see if this stuff works and if it smells good. Now it does have, what it's saying is, it's got eucalyptus oil, it has rosemary, lemon, cinnamon. So, I mean, it does sound like it's gonna smell pretty good. I have not opened it at all. So I'm gonna mix this up 1 to 30, and then we're gonna try it. They also do have a premium kit that has toothpaste and household cleaner, which is this, hand soap, a hand sanitizer that's waterless, and the regular Thieves oil. All right, so we're gonna open this. I need to go get a spray bottle and see, but I just want to see, woo! Did you see that? It just popped out everywhere. Now it's on my hands. Whew. Okay, so I think you would really love cleaning with this around the holidays. Like it's heavy clove and cinnamon smelling. I mean, this smells like Christmas to me. So I don't get a lot of lemon. It's all over my hands. I smell like cinnamon. Yeah, so it's cinnamon and clove for sure. Heavy clove and cinnamon. So if you are using this around Christmas time or Thanksgiving or anytime you want to smell like clove and cinnamon, yeah, thick with that. I really actually love this. I don't know if I'd want my house to smell like this all year long because you just kind of want that warm, spicy scent in the winter time and more of a fresh, clean scent in the spring and summer. But yeah, this smells good. Oh yeah, eucalyptus too. Definitely getting some of that. So really good for winter cleaning. Let's go see if it works. So I cleaned my granite countertops without leaving streaks. Awesome. I also cleaned my wood table. It's still a little wet. Just got done cleaning it, but it looks beautiful. And you can see what my paper towel looks like. So it was pretty dirty. So I would say that this stuff works. Awesome.
Okay, so why do we have to do this again?
Can't you see that I'm busy doing something right now? Besides, why do you think I had kids anyway?
Wait, what did you just say?
Okay, so we cleaned several things, wood and granite and countertops, all that kind of stuff, and it seemed to work pretty good. So if you like the smell of this, I think that it works just as good as any other cleaner, and it's completely non-toxic and safe around pets and kids, so win-win. Okay, so you have heard my thoughts on what it smells like and if it works. So if you are looking for something that is all natural and doesn't have harsh chemicals, but does a pretty good job at cleaning normal stuff. I didn't try it as a degreaser or as a glass cleaner because I only have so much of it. So, I'm not really sure if it works on that, but for everyday use, it does smell good and it works. If you are interested in purchasing this, I will have a link in the description box below where you can go and get some. I do not get a kickback for it. I just happen to love this person who sent it to me. So if you do wish to purchase it, I would love if you would consider purchasing it from her. Of course, you can get this from any Young Living representative that you know, but she's just special to me. So I hope that you will consider trying this product out if you love the smell of the Thieves, and give it a whirl. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.